Hello my beautiful ladies! Well, after getting a lot of requests, finally I'm here to make the biggest announcement. Well, here comes the most awaited 8 weeks professional makeup course. Well, this course is for everyone who wants to establish their career in the makeup industry, and in this course I will literally be holding your hand and guiding you through all tiny details. So the highlights of this course are really special. First of all, this is an 8 weeks professional makeup course, and the maximum batch size in every batch, we are not going to take more than 25 students, because I want to give personal attention to each and every student, and this is a hands-on practice course, which means that I will do makeup live in front of you, and I will also see you doing makeup live in front of me, so that I can see and I can correct all the mistakes that you're doing right away. In this course, I will be teaching you 6 different makeup looks that will include mehendi makeup, cocktail makeup, dusky skin makeup, bridal makeup, and a lot more. So basically, you are going to get a lot of knowledge about professional makeup. Once you enroll in the course, you are going to enter an open WhatsApp group. That group will have all the students, all 25 students and me, and that group will be open so that we can interact together. You can post your looks, the makeup products, and we can grow together. Well, not just this, once you enroll in the course, you will also get a free access to my next 2 coming bridal master classes, the upcoming hairstyling course, 40% discount on the Musk India products, and a goodie bag worth rupees 5,000. And also, we'll get you designed a logo from the brand #mytag. This is the brand that I got my logo designed from. And yes, this is a certified course, so definitely you also are going to get a hard copy of the certificate through courier on your doorsteps. Well, the course fee is only rupees 25,000 inclusive of all the taxes. And I will repeat it again that the batch size will not be more than 25 students. I will not make it to 26, and it's completely first come first serve. So if you are interested, just simply fill the form here. I'm attaching the link, and see you in the professional makeup course. Take care. Bye.